Welcome ECPS teachers, and thanks for joining us today. Today's topic is secondary report card comments. This is brought to you by the Student Data Systems team. Once you log into Focus, there's two ways to post. When the grade posting is open, you can go and select the alerts from Post Final Grades, or you can go to Final Grades and then Report Card Comments. From the Report Card Comments, you can go ahead and select the code, and you also have the ability to select the comment code to see a legend of all codes. You're going to continue with the rest of your students, and once finished, you can go ahead and click Save. Now let's look at how it's going to look if you do it from the alert screen. On your Focus homepage, select the section that you'd like to post comments for. Once that screen loads, you need to double check, are you in the correct quarter? Have you selected Include Inactive Students, if that's what you need to do? As you can see in this example, there is quite a few where it says the gradebook's incomplete. And you'll notice on the right hand side, my report card comment dropdown is all grayed out. If I need to review the report card code legend, I can see both the grade legend and those report card comments. Now if I go down and I look at one of my students that does have complete grades in the gradebook, I can click Use Gradebook Grades, and now my report card comment that I saved on the screen earlier is already entered in because I did that work already. Anytime you enter new information in, make sure you click Save, whether that's the final grade or a comment. You are limited to 6 drop-down comments for each student. If we were in a different quarter, you'd have the ability to copy the comments from a previous quarter. Be mindful that when posting student comments for the report card, the option to post via the Post Final Grade screen is only open during the posting window, unlike option 1 where you can go in at any time. Thanks again for joining us for another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. As always, we have our recommended videos to the side. If you have suggestions, please provide feedback via our Google form in the description below.